Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I know it has been so long if you have been subscribed to me for a little while and kept up with my videos. But yeah, so it's been a little bit, probably over a year, but we are back and better, and today's video is going to be super fun. So over the past couple of months, I picked up the new hobby of sewing. Yeah, so in February, I just decided to start sewing, and that is what I've been doing. Luckily, it was perfect timing because quarantine happened, as we all know. So I was cooped up in the house, and I basically had so much time to learn a lot of new things and really practice my sewing. So I have my little sewing center right here in my room. I know you can barely see it. Have all my fabric over there. But yeah, so it's been really fun and keeping me super busy. But today's video is going to be a thrift flip. I went to Goodwill today and picked up a couple of things. I definitely know I am flipping a set, and then there's another dress that I want to flip. I got a third dress and I'm not really sure what I want to do with it yet because it's kind of cute the way it is. And then just a pair of sweatpants. I think I'm just gonna cut those, so that's nothing crazy. Anyway, so let's go ahead and just get into the video. We have made it to my garage. That is where I do my tie-dye. So surprise, we're tie-dyeing a set. Who isn't right now? Everyone's tie-dyeing because that's just on trend right now. But yes, so I got sweatpants and a sweatshirt from Goodwill, and we're gonna tie-dye it. And I got gray because I saw on Instagram someone had done gray and it looked really cool, instead of just doing, you know, the basic white t-shirt and tie-dye it. So anyways, we're gonna tie-dye this. So let's go ahead and just get into it. So here is the set that I bought. It's not actually a real set because they're two different tones of gray, but oh well, who cares? And then all my tie-dye, so I'm ready to go. I ended up just doing like the little crumple effect to them. I thought I was gonna rubber band them, but there's just so much material, I don't think I'm going to, but I am gonna lay it on like a big trash bag just so the color doesn't go everywhere and my parents don't kill me getting it on their driveway. Sounds like a good plan to me. Okay, you guys can't really even see me, but I went with yellow and pink. Alright guys, so I just finished tie-dyeing the sweatpants and the sweatshirt. I'll go ahead and show you what they look like. So here are the pants, and here's the sweatshirt. Like I said, I did pink and yellow for the colors of tie-dye. I think it looks really cool. I'll have to put the name of what I saw, what inspired me to do it this way, their Instagram name, I'll put it in there. So I have to let these sit for a couple of hours to let the dye set in. So I won't have the results until probably tomorrow sometime. So I'll probably just, you know, pan over to the next clip of them all finished and what it looks like. So fingers crossed that they look cute, guys. I think they will though. It's the next day and my tie-dye set is finished. Earlier today I had to go outside, make sure the dye was all set in. Then I had to wash it and dry it, of course. And now it's just time to finish it off. I'm just going to be cutting the sweatpants, making them into little shorts, and then probably cropping the sweatshirt as well. So again, nothing drastic. It's a super easy DIY, and I will show you what the tie-dye looks like. These are what the pants ended up turning out like. I think they turned out really cute. So basically, I'm just cropping them like I said. And then this is the hoodie, the little sweatshirt, and I think this turned out really cute too. I'm really happy with the way both of these turned out, and now it's time to just cut them. finished product. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Like, I'm in love with this. This is awesome. I literally love the colors of it, and it actually turned out really cute. I was kind of nervous about doing the gray, but I'm so glad I went ahead and just went for it. I can't decide if I should crop this a little bit more to where you can kind of see my belly, or if we just leave it where we kind of do a little front tuck. I feel like I think that's what I might just keep. I don't know. Oh my gosh. I love this. Okay, this is definitely a win in my books. I am obsessed with this. Oh, now it's time for flip number 2, and it's going to be to this dress. I'll try it on so you can see what it looks like before. Basically, it's a nightgown. So I could have your grandma's nightgown in my possession right now. I'm not sure, but we are going to make it into a shorter little dress. So I will show you what it looks like on, and then we'll get started. All right, guys, so this is the dress on. As you can see, it's just long. I kept my clothes on underneath it just so I can just throw it on and throw it off and get started. Yeah. Here it is. Has a little bit of floral detail. I can kind of show you more of what it looks like. Really not that cute. But my plan is to make it shorter and then move the ruffle up to the top more, and then maybe take in the sides a little bit so it fits me a little better. Not really sure because it's a little big. So we're gonna see what I can do with this little dress. Wish me luck. I'm gonna go ahead and just do a voiceover for this part so I can talk you guys through kind of what I'm doing while you're watching me just cut and sew everything, so you're not just sitting here watching me do a lot of random stuff, because you're probably wondering exactly what I'm doing. So right here I am just cutting off the ruffle that was originally on the bottom, because I want to use it for the new ruffle, because one, I won't have to sit here and ruffle a new piece, and it had cute lace trim on the bottom, and I really wanted to keep that for the bottom of the dress I'm making. So I'm just trying it on, making sure that the length and everything's going to be right, and I just wanted to make sure because I didn't want the dress to be super long. I really wanted it to be a cute kind of mini baby doll dress style. That's kind of the vibe I'm getting from this, and so I'm basically just measuring and cutting to make sure all the measurements are correct and what I want, and I'm just trying it on again just to make sure everything looks good. Basically I couldn't go back anyways if it was too short, but whatever. So now I am just pinning everything to the fabric so I can sew it. I am sewing right sides together, if that makes sense. If you sew a lot, you kind of know what I mean, but I'm just pinning the right sides together, so whenever I flip it the other way, the seam is perfect and does not look harsh. It just has a really seamless look to it. I have everything pinned, and it is time to sew, which is just the easy part. I just have to make sure everything's lined up and just taking the pins out. Yeah, so basically that's all I'm doing, just a straight stitch, no zigzag or anything, since it's a cotton material, not a stretchy material. Yeah, so this isn't that exciting, but just sewing away. Okay guys, my tripod is not tall enough for me to be in the full frame up close, but dress is finished and it turned out really cute. So now it's just a cute little summer dress, and I'll throw it on for you guys. Okay, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, it actually turned out really good. Now I just need to figure out to take this in a little bit. So far, success. Okay guys, so this is the second day, and I'm going to finish up this dress because I thought it would look better if I got these buttons to go on it instead of these little round kind of buttons. I feel like that just is a little too old school and definitely gives it more of a nighttime vibe. So I think these will make it look more summery and like an actual summer dress and not something I'm wearing to go to sleep in. So we are going to tackle that today. So I just finished putting the buttons on and it looks a lot better. So I'm going to show you guys. Oh yeah, those look 10 times better, I think, with the dress. And it looks very summertime with this brown kind of wooden colored button on it. So I'm really glad I did that. And this literally took like no time at all. Here is the finished dress. I am in love. I love it. It's so cute. The little button details I think really helped it out as well. Yeah, I took it in on the sides a little bit so it fits me a little better in the arm area. And overall, it's just a cute little summer baby doll dress and I'm obsessed with this. Put it with some little brown sandals or heels and you are good to go. Yeah, I'm really happy with how this flip turned out and it was really easy, so it's always a plus. Okay, and the last piece I'm going to be thrift flipping are these little sweatpants, and they're a pink color, kind of a really pale pink, you can't really tell. But yes, so basically all we're doing to these is we're just chopping them off, so it's really nothing too drastic or crazy that you can't do. So let's go ahead and get to cutting. Alrighty, so the shorts are done. This is probably the easiest little DIY I had to do today. All I had to do was just chop off the bottom. Yeah, so this length is super in style right now, so I think I'm gonna keep them right here. Yeah, that's pretty much all there is to say about these. I cut off basically all of the bottom half of the pant, and now they're cute little Bermuda length sweatpant shorts. So that's the style these days. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed watching me flip some of the items I got from Goodwill. I had an awesome time and everything turned out awesome. I'm obsessed with this gray tie-dye set I did. Yeah, this is just super cool. Anyways, thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!